In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view task history in Godday. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click to see who changed what on a task and when those changes happened, so you can easily track progress and updates. Let's start from your main view in Godday. First, you'll want to make sure you're in the correct workspace. A workspace is basically the top-level area where a group of teams, projects, or departments organize their work. Look towards the top or side of your screen for the workspace selector. It might be a drop-down or a list of available workspaces. Click the workspace that contains the project and tasks you want to review. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace will save you from searching through the wrong projects later. Once your workspace is selected, the next step is to choose the project you're interested in. Inside the workspace, you should see a list or board of projects. Scroll through and click on the project where the task is located. Opening the correct project helps narrow everything down, especially if your workspace includes many different initiatives or teams. Projects typically have clear names, so use those titles to guide you. With the project open, you'll now see a list, board, or timeline of tasks. Find the specific task whose history you want to view. This could be a card on a board view, an item in a list, or a row in a table. Click directly on the task name or card to open the detailed task view. This is where you'll see information like the description, assignees, due dates, last dates, and comments. Inside the task details, look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options or Actions menu. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the task window. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options related to the task. From this drop-down menu, locate the option labeled History or Audit and click it. This will open the task's history panel. Here, you'll see a chronological list of changes that have been made to the task, such as status updates, reassigned owners, due date changes, or modifications to fields. Use this view to understand how the task has evolved over time, verify updates, or troubleshoot any confusion about when a change was made. And that's it. By selecting